Just another quick tip by MudRFunR. I was out here working on my mud truck, and if you've ever had this happen to you and you're kind of in a pinch, see how that handle has busted there. This one's already been repaired once. See how broken that is? Alright, let's see how we can fix that. I know I'm going to get some comments. Everybody's going to say maybe I should have used duct tape, but I'm out, and I've done this before with electrical tape. Just make sure you keep it pulled very tight as you're wrapping it. And I'm going to do a little bit extra on the bottom. Make it a little thicker there, because that's probably where it would tend to want to break first. And I'm just going to slowly work my way back up. And I'm going to do the top the same, a little bit extra. And that's a quick fix when you're in a pinch. Still in one piece.